In front of you, we have pupils from Songwe Sunrise Primary School. We are so happy today. Our head teacher has brought us in Bozi to see a meteorite. We have learnt advantages and disadvantages. We are thank you to Mr. Steve and to other teachers and non-teachers. Thank you. Greetings to everyone. Sunrise Primary. This is a meteorite, as you can see it. This is a meteorite, as you can see it. Welcome at Songwe Sunrise Primary School. Thank you.